Hello. In this video, we'll show you how to rotate a page to landscape leaving the rest in portrait. Before we start, kindly subscribe to this channel for more interesting lessons. As you can see, I have a 3-page document. I am going to change the orientation of the second page. To begin, click on the page you want to rotate. Navigate your mouse pointer to the Layout tab and click on Breaks. Choose Next Page. This breaks the page away from the previous page. Click on the Page Setup ribbon. Select Landscape from the pop-up. Click OK. You can that preceding page 2 has been affected. To change that, we have to section break the next page 2. Click on the page we want to change to portrait, the Layout tab and select Breaks. Next page. Click on the Page Setup ribbon. Select Portrait from the pop-up. Click OK. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.